Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atika Balkis. I present number 1.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Alia binti Kamari. I presented number 2.
Hi, my name is Nur Anis Nassim. I present number 3.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Zahira binti Azmi. I'm presenter number 4.
Today, we will present about noise and hearing. So, first of all, I want to say about what noise causes hearing loss. Noise is a significant source of hearing loss, but you can protect your hearing. An important first step is to understand how noise causes hearing loss. Hearing loss can result from damage to structure and nerve fibers in the inner ear response to sound. This type of hearing loss term noise-induced hearing loss is usually caused by exposure to excessively loud sounds. The next is loud noise can cause hearing loss quickly or over time. The louder the sound, the shorter the amount of time it takes for having loss to occur. The longer the exposure, the greater the risk for hearing loss.
I want to talk about procedure. As many people know, noise control is very important to all of us in order to be able to control it. So I will give you some methods and their explanation. First methods and explanation. Personal hearing protection. Wearing of earmuffs and earplugs at the workplace is regarded as the last line of reference, and in engineering, control should be considered in all cases. Second, screen as effective way to reduce duration noise transmission. Third, legging. Use of legging of pipes carrying steam or hot fluid as an alternative to incluser. Lastly is silencer. Use of silencer can suppress noise generation when air, gas or steam flow in pipes or are vented to the atmosphere.
Common source of noise, decibel level. Sound is measured is decibel. A whisper is about 30 dB. Normal conversation is about 60 dB. And a motorcycle engine run is about 95 dB. Noise about 70 dB over a prolonged period of time. May start to demand your hear loss noise about 1 to 0 dB can cause immense harm to your ear.
Recommendation to help prevent hearing loss from loud noise. Example number 1 is at home. You need to turn down the volume of the TV, radio or music. If we listening to loud music, take a listening break to reduce your exposure. You need to use hearing protection device such as earplug, earmuffs when you cannot avoid loud sounds. Example number 2 is at public event or at work. You need to move or stay far away from the louder sound producing source such as loudspeakers, especially if attending with children. You need to pay attention to signs warning of the possible loud noise or recommending the use of hearing protection. You need to limit the time of exposure to loud sound.
In conclusion, ear hearing is a very important for individuals who work in fields such as construction site works, and also factory works. Exposure to very loud sound, even for a short period of time, can cause a decrease in hearing sensitivity. So, try to avoid going through construction areas or close the windows of the house if staying near the construction site. So, that's all for our group. Thank you.